Sony is gearing up to release the FX3 II, a compact cinema camera that promises to take everything we loved about the FX3 and push it even further. Today, we're breaking down the leaks, rumors, and what to expect from this next-generation camera. The FX3 II is expected to keep the same compact, cage-free design, but with smarter tweaks. Think stronger mounting points, better weather sealing, and more ergonomic button placements. The LCD screen might fully articulate even with HDMI and XLR modules attached, perfect for vloggers and solo creators. Sony is reportedly improving thermal management too. The FX3's fan was effective but noisy. The FX3 II could feature quieter fans or advanced passive cooling, helping in interviews, documentaries, and cinematic shooting without audio compromise. The big upgrade is on the imaging side. Rumors point to a 6K sensor, possibly with a global shutter for zero rolling shutter artifacts. This would give filmmakers sharper oversampled 4K footage and more flexibility in post-production. Expect professional upgrades like built-in electronic ND filters, open gate recording, and internal RAW capture. These features make the FX3 II a self-contained cinema solution, streamlining setups and making fast-paced shooting easier. Add in smarter autofocus and enhanced monitoring tools, and this camera could handle high-end commercial, narrative, and documentary work. If Sony delivers even half of these rumored upgrades, the FX3 II could redefine what a compact cinema camera can do. It's shaping up to be more than just a successor. It could be a full professional powerhouse for filmmakers, YouTubers, and creators everywhere.